My children, this is the last sound of your father's heart. Even as I fade away, my love for you refuses to die. Hey, my children, sit down. Let your hearts be still. Dad's voice is fading, but there's something I need to tell. The river's quiet now, the birds don't sing the same. Dad's breath is slowing, but your love still calls my name. I climb the final mountain with your faces in my mind, wishing fate had mercy, wishing life was more kind. Do you miss my laughter? Does it echo when you cry? Dad never wanted to leave, but no one escapes the sky. If heaven gave one more breath, I'd run straight home to you. Hold your hands again, show you love that's real and true. But dreams are all that's left for you to see me now. So meet me in your sleep, I'll be there somehow.
My children, who will hold you now? Who will wipe your tears when the storms come down? Listen when the world feels wrong. Who will teach you right from wrong? If your life grows heavy, who will lift the weight? Dad's no longer here, but my love won't fade. Even when I'm gone, I'm with you somehow. My children, who will hold you now?
If I ever scolded you, know my heart never turned cold. Tomorrow I still loved you more than words ever told. Others will judge you, push you away when you fall, but Dad's heart breaks hardest when life hits you at all. When sickness comes, I won't be there to pray over your pain, won't be there to chase the fear out of your veins. You may want riches, won't close without tears, but remember Dad's wisdom, it's worth more than the years. In this life, no one escapes the grave's embrace. Dad's footsteps in here, but my love leaves a trace. Care for each other, don't let anger divide. Hold your siblings close, let compassion guide.
My children, who will hold you now? Who will wipe your tears when the storms come down? Who will listen when the world feels wrong? Who will teach you right from wrong? If your life grows heavy, you will lift the weight. Dad's no longer here, but my love won't fade. Even when I'm gone, I'm with you somehow. My children, who will hold you now?
When Dad walks over that hill, the rain may